Yeah, man. Yo, me not tell no lie. Big respect to Pretty Dan, you see. Me like him forward that and I show skeleton foot Amari say yo, you know nobody you see it. What go on when you dip and welcome forward to the channel, you see it. And if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV for future upload, you see it. And you also can follow me on Instagram at Sandy and Bones TV. And yo, this man Pretty Dan come out with hot a burn a fire pan Amari and that's a speedy recovery for Queenie. You know Pretty Dan style, you know she got dash a fire up and do it still, but you don't know. I'm glad to somebody come out and I put Amari in place. Or I don't know Amari is who. She come like I don't know if it's about Amari. You see it. Amari if just got chuck off, you see it. So we just forward in the video and make a hear Pretty Dan and say, you see it, and Queenie wake up and I do well this morning, you see it. Sandy and Bones TV all hear from Queenie, you see it. Enough people I wonder what go on. Yeah man, she good, you see it. You know soon see Queenie again, you see it. So we forward and hear Pretty Dan and say.
About you. The speedy recovery for Queenie, I know it go already. You understand me? I say, yo, Nilju, go your yard. Everybody like you like, go your yard, Nilju. Go home to your wife. You coming like one stray dog. You coming like one mongrel. And you can never find your mongrel at morning time. Worst night time. Hungry time. You have to say, look like Brownie, when you come back. Brownie, you know how long me I look for you. You call Brownie, you fuck. Brownie! Brownie! You call Brownie. Brownie left the yard. You're a mongrel, man. You is a big rascal mongrel. Go home to your wife. You house by 1 year. You got down, they got fucking and get your body whole lick out in there. Go and go hold your wife and in there now. Because the whole island's in a Vincent. Love you guys. You see me? Everybody, like your life, please. Please, drop your like them right now. We are going to fling this to feel like them. Everybody, when they put the live, like your live right now before we start. Look, clock this one. Bumper clock. Right now, we are telling you, they're going to start fake off a blood clot, you know. They're going to start fake off how now just mash up a face with that. You see me? A whole heap of people married and don't know that your first priority is your wife. And nobody else, not nobody for her, not your people, them. Your wife come first, me general. Overall, before your mama, before everybody, your wife is happy. You see, Pre? Yeah, you know, there so please, nobody else but your wife, you know. And you're not even do that, me general. Not even Jamaican, you're not dead at your wife bedside, holding her hands. You understand me? I deal with you on internet to argue with RT Boss. At least RT Boss gone down there. Where the fuck are you? Frightened for foreign, so go on to your wife. Are I a lesbian or you a fucking idiot? You coming like one pussy class cesspool. Go and go chuck in your mama and leave them, man. Fucking idiot. You see a girl dressed like man, where you want me to? Go fuck your mama for you. You want me to show you say me one sodomite? Bring your mama come and me fuck that dog there in front of you. Come and me shove my bumbo clap dildo in your mama. Bring your mama come and me fuck your mother in front of you. So you can see, say me one sodomite. You can see how me gonna deal with your mama done all. Hey. Perfect. You see me? Blessings. Everybody over there, like your life right now. Like your life right now. The tree look button them up right now. The tree look sit them right now. Like your life. Like your life. Like the life. Oh God. On a must can like your life. Like your life, man. Milju, one thing I'm gonna tell you again. You is a perfect opportunist. And as I say, a desperation Queenie don't give a chance. You hear me? I say, everybody have their yamed moment. I am a yamed for my wife. Only for people are yamed for them people. Them. You feel me? I deal with. Keep your yamed sitting off for internet, my bro. You see me? Because yeah, yamed. And that's how it go. None of we not perfect in another relationship. Them. I go yam out for somebody. You are yamed, yeah, yamed. Keep that yamed shit down your yard. So nobody not even know say you're yamed. You see me? I say, just yam out yourself. You see me? So when the whole world see say you're yam vine, them will talk nothing. In the world, we keep your city. Seeing your wife like that on the internet, like a poor thing. Then you have to go as far as we say, no RT down there. Me can't clap RT you. Oliver Clout him a do it for. At least he's there. Where the fuck are you? Where are you? Nothing at all, you're not blood clot do. You as a husband, the only thing you use your husband line for, have you take from Queenie, if you take house, if you take car, if you take money, if you take plane ticket, if you take trip. That's the only time you recognize as a husband. That is the only time you want to acknowledge Queenie. That is the only time you want to feel like say, you man, Queenie are my wife and Ray. No, when you have to show your real love, your real gratitude. You're on blood clot internet, alright? Stop right! Don't put out a next blood clot sentence, another paragraph, another story post. You're the dumbest individual. You are sleep as around competition, bro. You done certainly look bad. Nobody at all can read what you say. I will show you say the woman take up a dunce, workless, nasty blood clot, man. God, nothing about you no pleasant a bumble clot. Eh? You need to get where your blood clot get. But you think Queenie allow you to get it? No! As soon as Queenie says you drop in her life and start look like she and me dog. She ready if you can't think you, but build you. You're dumb. See the time you know where you go show your wife the love, the appreciation, everything. What you want to know? You're there CT. Cock up. Say you're one man to your goodie. Say you're blood clot. I'm sure. Where is Queenie? I want to be sorry for Queenie and sorry for Queenie at the same time. God, no, we don't want to see Queenie sick, you know. No, we don't want to see her in a hospital. I got you where she got you. But at the end of the day, sick of everybody, anybody that can happen to you. Understand me I deal with? We don't call them things upon nobody at all. No matter what them do, no matter even feel like she deserve it. She don't deserve it, brother. You feel like me I did, she don't deserve it. You see me? And for the real fact say, she don't have nobody by her side more than her friend them and her two local family them. And she's married. Friends and family should have been the last people for dead. Whether you're married to somebody and them only is a contract with the Lord. This person will then do us part. You kill your mama, you kill everybody in your family. Them and your family no more, them are your relative. You just start your own family when you say I do. When you say I do, you start your own family. Now you are your family. So now when Queenie have friend and her relative them round her a fuck her that where is our husband? Where is our family? That is our family right here. Where Amari DJ Mona Lisa. Like the live. Everybody with them by three little line them right there. So just focus, no? I like your live, focus. Oh, thank you guys for my super chat. Oh, I'm loving your fuck. One of my people forever. I'm loving it, dog. I swear. Yeah. Amari said she want to fly down to Jamaica to be by Queenie's side. I will cross the ocean for you. I will go and bring you the moon. I'll be there. Why you not go circle the doctor we cut out your ligament then? Amari, you have any strength at all to walk or any blood clot without looking like you're going to drop down and dead in front of somebody? Why you not going to link back the doctor and make the doctor see if it can sew in back your intestine them in a blood clot you? Why you not going to do that? You are RT, get up with this. I want to be by your side, by your bedside. Who the fuck is the two of you? Nothing at all. Big stiff face, blood clot, RT. Face coming like a iron board to blood clot. When you left Ghana, Jamaica, Gando, are you married to Queenie? You love cloud too much. You look a hub, you not sell a blood clot again. Broke like a dog, you know, pussy hole. I go like you somebody. Go suck out your mama big pussy auntie. Nobody at all never want you in Jamaica if you go look for blood clot Queenie. Queenie put herself in a hospital. Won't even put that on blood clot mildew. Mildew I didn't need a workless blood clot one. Boy, you there hard for boy, you have bookings. One man to me goodie. You should be ashamed of yourself. If you even go blood clot the power and dance. When you one man to me goodie. Yeah, one man to the goodie singer. You know what was 130? 130 to 15 seconds for the blood clot song. Your wife there, Jamaica, dead right now. Appendix blast up in a bumbo clot. And you there hard first. Boy, you are tour. Boy, we are tour, boy. We are tour. We have a tour. You are what? They think they can't celebrate. Leave the pussy like a plate. Them do say we great. Every blood clot where you go with the same blood clot. 4 line. 4 line. You're not a talent, Mildew. All you do is suck out Queenie pussy and get blood clot money and blood clot green card or sitting. The only reason why you know which part you're there, just because I am the old coleslaw, dirty pussy, careless old, desperate pussy. That's why you the way you did. You don't know tour me general. You is nobody. A Queenie you live off of the whole of your blood clot life. A Queenie sing one man to me goodie. That'll do it. That'll do it. Motherfucker, rush me. Is she bad? Anybody but me can just say to me. Is she bad? Anybody? Hey, one man to me go. One dirty Queenie. Sing one man to me goodie. That was fear song. With them right. You was catch on panny. You're not even in the panny no Mildew. I catch your panny. Everywhere you go. You tell everybody say you sing one man to you good. Yeah, right, Mildew. Take you hood them in your wall. One man to your body. All right. That's why when Queenie can tell we say she a fuck you with her dildo, them over there we believe them. She's a slack batty man, a waste batty man. Your wife in need of you right now, but you want the past stage, but one to me goodie. That I do it. That you have to play this song for 2 minutes and 13 seconds before you blood clot come in, but you think we can't celebrate? You mouth your pussy like a plate. Them know see a great. You're drunk, crummy general leeches. A fucking leech. You is a leech, brother. Ticks. You is a pussy clotting lice. Lice, you be man. No, one time your woman need you the most. She's not even your woman, your wife. Till death do us part. If appendix bust in you, me have to do it. If your shit bag bust in you, me have to do it. If your piss bag bust in you, me have to do it. You there blood clot Hartford Connecticut. But one man to your goodie. And I show your blood clot God pan with blood clot Queenie down they look like a pussy clot half dead human. Jesus Christ, you don't have nothing in you, my boy. There is no way me can see my wife in need. A dead pambombo clot dead appendix. Explode in him. Eh? You blood clot. You catch up there. And the woman will sing one man to your goodie. A dead half. The woman have show in him blood clot. Rear end, front end, back end, all kind of blood clot end. And when you're there, up there so, you never remember the last way you take me boy. The only time you remember say Queenie your blood clot wife, I went to you want to live in a house down there. When you want Queenie if you buy your ticket. When you want Queenie money. The only time share your wife when you want blood clot something. When she need you. A millions of times we see Queenie in some predicament that your time did for dead as a husband. No matter what now got you, we never see her yet. You understand? But as you are got you, not let the Queen. But it's so upset because this was not a long time. But just love husband. You're stupid. You sister that the woman that love you more than anything else. Yeah, head over heels for you. And now she did at her lowest. And I die. We not say die. We are saying sick bad. Appendix. This woman a big old woman. 50 a year old woman so I touch up in her 60s. Then this woman if you work on her health, I try if you eat better, I try if you have less stress, if you try if you meditate more, try if you understand me. The first thing Queenie needed to do as a grown woman, big almost 60-year-old woman, as me say, she should have been changing her diet, trying to do better for herself health-wise, and then look away there, stop her overstress herself as an old woman. I take up things like you, meal joke on her head, she can't manage. You understand me? Oh, you mean? Amongst this woman here, a stress. Amongst this woman here, not eat properly. Amongst this woman here, got you the worst. It a catch up with her now where she sick. You understand me? And where the fuck are you? Where you there? Where you there? Yes,